Genshin Impact 2.8 countdown is finally ticking. We got release time, maintenance schedule, and latest news. Today in this video, we are going to discuss it all, so let's get started. Guys, let me tell you, long wait for the next Genshin Impact update is finally over. Genshin Impact 2.8 Summer Fantasia is almost here to bring the summer season. And into the update, we got lots of things. The version 2.8 include new skins. It will introduce two new alternative outfits to Genshin Impact. But they are not just regular skins. This one is a 5-star skin that will include new ability, effects, and new idle animations. Unfortunately, the skin will be only available from the store, but no worries, as it's not the only new skin in the Genshin Impact 2.8. Then we got Genshin Impact 2.8 banners. First phase will feature two 5-star characters. Lives in the Wire, Lives in the Wind will feature Kazuha, a 5-star Anemo Sword character, and the Sparkling Steps will feature the new rerun of Klee, a 5-star Pyro Catalyst character. Both banners will share the following 4 characters. Hizu, this is a 4-star Anemo Catalyst user. Ningguang, a 4-star Geo Catalyst user. Thoma, 4-star Pyro Pole Arm user. Also we got new regions. We already visited Golden Apple's Archipelago at once. Now we can expect an entirely new region this time around. And we will get to explore abandoned castles and 4 new domains. By the way, there are no new artifacts in this new update. Also, speaking of the events, we got many new events. 2 new story quests, also a main event, Summertime Odyssey, Reminiscent Regimen, Convoy, a raid, Indecent, Ever Motion Mechanical Painting, Resonant Visions, and a Hidden Stripe. Now guys, moving to the most important thing, Genshin Impact 2.8 final countdown. Well, this new update will go live on 13 July 2022 at 11 AM server time. By the way, this is a Chinese Standard Time, so make sure you note that. For Pacific Standard Time, it's 8 PM. For Eastern Standard Time, 11 PM. And GMT, it's 4 AM. And here is the final countdown, guys. We are just about 6 hours away almost, and looks like the server downtime will take around 5 hours to complete. And with that being said, players will be compensated 300 Primo Gems for the downtime. And you can see the countdown time. We are almost 6 hours away. Guys, I hope this video was informational, so make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.